2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, universal garage door opener, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.